Alright, today we're going to do the maintenance required on a 2016 Toyota Camry. What we're going to do is we're going to come right here on the steering wheel, click back, go to the settings up here, low gear, which is fine. Click the middle button on that little keypad right here, and then we're going to go up to maintenance, reset, enter, yes, and then we're going to go back, and then over. But also, if you do not have the fobs right here on your steering wheel, you can also do it up here by clicking this little button, going to trip A, shutting the car completely off, holding this trip button again, and clicking once, twice, and it's resetting maintenance data. And after it's done flashing and everything, you are all set. Thank you guys. Have a good day.